Hi, kitty kitty. Mittens, look over here. Mittens, look at me. Mittens, where are you going? I wouldn't go in there, Mittens. The dogs are in there. Mittens. Oh, Mittens. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, kitty. Hi, bitch. Hi, ass. Kitty, kitty. Mittens, I seriously would not go in the living room. Oh, you're gonna go in the closet? No? You're just gonna stare at the dogs? I'm gonna stare at the dogs. Both of which are right there. Yeah, the coffee table's a mess. Who cares? Nobody, right? Except for my grandmother, maybe. Mittens! Hi! Hello! How you doing? I love you! I love you, kitty! I love you! Mittens. You look like you don't care what I say. Well, okay then. Fine. If you don't care what I say, then bye. Motherfucker. Much happier over here, bitch. Bruh. How dare you? Mittens, I will not have you speak to me in that tone. Mittens, where you going? Get your ass over here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Mittens, come on. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Okay, fine. If you don't like the camera, then I don't like you. I'm just kidding, I love you. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Damn it, it's hurting to bend over and pet you. You don't care? Fine. You really are a jerk. Come get it, kitty. Come get it. Come on, kitty. Seriously, Mittens? I give you food. Come over here. Ugh, you fat piece of shit. Mittens, please come here and eat your food. I gave it to you so you can eat it. And now you're just sitting there. And now you're looking away from me. Mittens, you are a jerk ass. What the hell are you looking at, Mittens? Mittens, what you looking at? There's a big pile of laundry right there. That's probably not very good. Oh, hi. Fine. I'm gonna put this laundry in a bin, just wait. Done. Now it doesn't look like a fucking mess anymore. Mittens. Mittens. Hi, kitty. The fuck was that? Oh. The pizza's here! We've been waiting for this forever. Woohoo!
No, it was like 15 minutes, dude.
Okay, whatever. Mittens!
We also got the pizza pedestal.
Mittens. Really? You... Now you eat your food? Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, and now you're not eating it at all, asshole.